Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic then live tutorials how to cut video. Okay, here for example I will open a video. You can go to project bin, right click add clip or folder. Now I will use this example video, click OK, and I will insert this video into timeline. So if you want to cut this video, you can use this icon size chart, and then I will click like from this point, cut into this point. You can go again into selection tools, click in here and select this video, press delete button. Now you can move this video into here. Okay, that's it, how to cut a video in Kdenlive with this icon scissor tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.